Hey, thanks for joining the channel today. I appreciate you. So look, I'm always telling people to do home labs because this is a IT channel. All right. But today I'm not going to get into education. I'm not going to get into career advice. But what I want to talk about is actual gear. All right. So I have a ASUS. Let's see. This is the ASUS RT AX82U, also known as the AX5400. But basically, this is a Wi-Fi router. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to take a look at it and let's see what we got in the box. So let's go. Yeah, so I'll be honest, I've been wanting to get a router for a while now. And, I just hadn't really been sure if I could actually connect it to my home network. But I think I need some scissors for this one. Look, if you don't got scissors, you can just use your teeth. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, but I just needed something that I could connect to my home network. I have a regular ISP. And basically, it's just like Spectrum Internet, but they provide a router, but the router that they actually have is just like a basic router. But I wanted something with a little bit more extra security on it. So I'm gonna show you what's in here. So they wrapped it pretty good. I'm gonna let you see what's in the box. So they got it wrapped in here. And what's really cool about this router, look how cool this is. I couldn't wait to actually order this online. Look at that. That is nice, man. It actually looks like a spaceship or something like that. Like in one of those spaceship movies, you see the aircraft hovering. Yeah. But here again, this is the ASUS RT AX82U, also known as the AX5400. This is a nice Wi-Fi router. Only thing they put in the box was I have a charger, and then it came with a networking cable. You plug this into the router, and then I'm going to use it as an access point. I'm going to plug it into the router that I already have from my ISP. And yeah, I'm just going to use this cable. But yeah, they got a cable in here. So you got the router, you got the cable, and then you have your power cord. All right. What's really cool about this router is basically it's a dual band. So what that means is this router, it does 2.4 gigahertz, and then it also does 5 gigahertz. All right. So some devices, some electronic devices, they use a different band as far as connecting to the internet or connecting or using Wi-Fi. I have devices that are 2.4 gigahertz and I have devices that are 5 gigahertz. So with this big boy right here, I'll be able to actually just connect both, and it'll just automatically switch. I might have to go into the settings to see exactly how to get it configured and how to set it up. But yeah, it definitely does both. So it's dual band. It's Wi-Fi 6. They have Wi-Fi 7 now that's out. But Wi-Fi 7 is a newer technology. So, who knows if Wi-Fi 7 even works as good or if all devices are compatible with it yet. It just may take some time for Wi-Fi 7 to kick in and really be fully usable by other devices without any problems. You know what I'm saying? And then let's see. What does this thing do? Also, it does, it offers mesh support. Basically, what mesh support is if you have, let's say you have this router, and then let's say, like I talked about, I have an ISP router. I might not be able to connect this to the other router. But what I could do though, is I can connect this to other routers or to other ASUS routers. And so that's what mesh support is. You're able to put these as access points in different locations of your house or different locations of a building, and they'll be able to connect and kind of have like this mesh network going on. You know what I'm saying? The last thing I want to talk about with this router right here is it's RGB on the front right here. I'm going to plug this up for you just a little bit later so you can see the lights on it. And I think that's really cool. But let's take a look at these antennas on the back right here. I did verify that you can't take these antennas off. Yeah, you can't take these antennas off. Some people, I've read that they've tried to pull them off before, but yeah, doesn't that look cool? Yeah. Like I say, this is an IT channel, and basically on this channel, I just talk about, getting into IT and just what it takes to, get your resume up and just kind of get your learning on, get your certificates going or your certifications that'll help you get into an entry level position. But I just wanted to kind of do this video to actually show you, look, if you took the Network Plus, which is a certification, I got that certification right there. That's Network Plus, but I took Network Plus, and it talks a lot about like routing and talks a lot about internet protocols or network protocols and things like that. And it's a lot of information, subnetting, IP addresses. It's a lot of information, but I felt like a lot of it basically kind of just went in one ear and this out the other because I didn't really get a lot of hands-on practice as far as working with a routing table and just like as far as working with a switch. And matter of fact, I have a switch around here somewhere too that I'll probably have to see if I can connect it to this too as well. I had like the switch is a TP-Link switch, and I was going to connect that to my router that's down here on the floor. But the problem is that, you know, the router is in my room here, but in the other room is where I have my my computer, and I was going to have to run this networking cable all the way across the floor, and I just didn't want to do that. So I haven't really set up my my network switch, but I think with this router right here, I'm going to set it up as an access point. That way I can put it somewhere in the next room, and then I can just you know, have my own separate dedicated network that will connect to this router, and this will be behind my ISP's router. The reason that I decided that I wanted to go with a router and just do Homelab with a router is because, you know, Network Plus talks, oh, Security Plus 2. Matter of fact, that certification is right there. But Security Plus 2, it talks a lot about securing your network and securing your internet and everything like that. But, you know, you got to get that real hands-on experience in order to kind of know what you're talking about or know what you're dealing with when it comes with those two certifications. So here again, that's Network Plus and then that's Security Plus. You can do without the certifications. You don't have to go get the certifications, but you know, I decided that I was going to get them. It's good to know the information inside of Network Plus. It's good to know the information inside of Security Plus. All right. Here again, my college, it definitely offers it as a class, and through that class is how I got my certifications. I think I got like all my certifications probably like in 1 year. I got them all last year, but yeah. You have to do home labs. Home labbing is really what's going to make the difference between you knowing what you're talking about and knowing what you're not talking about. So yeah, let's take a look at the back of it real quick here. So you can see here, it has a few networking ports on the back. Looks like there's a USB port here. There's your power port. And what's this little switch here? Oh, it looks like it's just a power switch right there. And what is this right here? It says WAN, so that's for your wireless area network cable to go in there. But yeah, so if you have like a PlayStation, if you have a TV, laptop, you can plug those in right there in the back right there. It has 4, so you can plug multiple devices in straight hardwired cable. But like I said, I'm going to use this as an access point, and I'm going to secure my my network to my actual devices. I'm thinking about getting a Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is just a little bitty computing device. I don't have one of those yet. I'm going to make sure that I do a video on it. But Raspberry Pi is just a device that it's almost like a mini computer. You can put like a media server on it. You can put a file server on it. You can just kind of do all kind of things with Raspberry Pis. So that's kind of going to be part of Homelab in the future. But yeah. This here again is the ASUS RT AX82U AX5400. It's a dual band Wi-Fi 6. One cool thing though is I got this thing for about, it probably goes, I think this is an older router. You know what I'm saying? It's 2026, so it may have came out about 2 years ago. I'm not too sure, but I got mine for about like $90. I got it on Amazon. I got mine refurbished. I didn't buy a new one. And that's the thing when it comes to gear. You don't have to actually buy new gear. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is just for a home lab. It's just for my own personal practice. And so, no, I don't need new gear. Only thing I need is just for this thing to work and for it to actually show me how to configure Wi-Fi on it and just how to be able to connect to it. It also has a dedicated app too. I may have to show you guys that a little bit later, but it has a dedicated app to where you can set up the VPN on it. Like I say, it's nice and secure. It has a VPN, and that's just a virtual private network that you can set up on it. That way you can encrypt your network to your actual devices inside of your home. And that way no one can infiltrate. So if you took the certification, you took Security Plus, you took Network Plus, getting yourself a router, setting up your own home network behind one of these would be great. Here again, this is the ASUS RT AX82U AX5400. So this is a good Wi-Fi router. But yeah, that's it. I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and turn it on for you real quick. I think you've probably seen enough of it. That's the top. That's the back. These move, you know what I'm saying? Nice and flexible. You got to be careful so you don't break these. And I also got this cool stand that I'm just going to sit this on. But yeah. So let's let's turn it on real quick. Now let's see if I can show you the RGB lights on the front. So I have it plugged in the back here by the power cable right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around and I'm just gonna hit this power switch and let's see if it comes on. Oh, look at that. Look at those lights. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. See that? That's so awesome. Here again, this is the ASUS RT AX82U AX5400. Wi-Fi 6 router, dual band, does Wi-Fi 6. It's a basic gaming router. People that game, they have these. I don't know what they use them for, but yeah. You can see it has lights on the top right here. I'm sure one of these is a networking light, but yeah, look at that RGB light in the front right there. See that? That's what the top of it looks like. Okay. All right, well, that's it. This was just a quick video unboxing review of the ASUS RT AX82U AX5400 routing Wi-Fi or routing router. So you guys go pick you up one of these. See you guys later in the next video. Like I always say, keep God first and everything will be good.